Hey there, welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's ukulele chord melody hymns, 100 of them, that she has made available for free, and you can find them on my website at ukestuff.info. You go to ukulele music, scroll down to the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale, and you can download ukulele chord melody hymns there. This is 2025, and this year I've been recording all of Elizabeth's 100 chord melodies that she has released. It's another book, but because we're at the holiday season and there are some Christmas carols that appear in the chord melody hymns book, this is the first of the chord melody hymns that I have recorded. And we're going to be doing Angels We Have Heard on High, which is on page 12. Now, I do want to note that this song was originally arranged for low GGC ukulele, although it works just fine on high GGC ukulele, or if you forget about looking at the traditional notation for other than rhythm, it works on baritone as well. In this video, first of all, I'll talk about what chord melody is, then I'll demonstrate the song on low GGC ukulele, then I'll do a tutorial for it, then I'll demonstrate it on high GGC ukulele, and then I'll demonstrate it on baritone as well. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and its sister channel, so Uke Stuff and Uke Playlongs on YouTube. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, I happen to have an intermediate collection of books, 2 of them actually, for sale on the Buy Me a Coffee page. You can also find them at the Apple bookstore for Apple Books. You can find them on Amazon for Kindle and in print. And if you're looking for more free resources, you can go to ukestuff.info, go to ukulele music. You'll find about 40 songs that have been arranged by me that are there for free. You'll find a link to Elizabeth's music. You'll also find the links to the works by Tony Krimlisk. You'll find a link to the website of Spencer Gay's Uke Education, which is another free resource. And you'll find links to the paid works of the late ukulele Mike Lynch. Now, in chord melody, you will need to learn how to read tablature. In Elizabeth arrangement, she gives you the melody with the lyrics, which is a little different than my own, where I just write the notes themselves for the instrument, not the lyrics. So she gives you the notes of the melody plus the lyrics. If you'd like to sing along, you can. But then she gives you tablature, and there are 4 lines of tablature. The bottom line corresponds with the string closest to you, the low G, if you're playing low G ukulele, string 4, and the top line is string 1. And the numbers tell you what fret to press down. Chord melody allows you to play the melody and the harmony at the same time. It's an oral illusion, because the last note that you hear, which is the highest note, sticks in your mind as melody. And it's a great next step beyond just strumming and singing. Strumming and singing is wonderful. I still do it all the time, but I also like to let the ukulele do some more singing, and then this leads to more advanced ukulele playing in the future. So let me demonstrate the song on low G GCA ukulele. Now let's do a walkthrough or tutorial for the song. Now we're in the key of F, which means you're going to have to play a B flat during the song. Don't worry, we'll walk you through it when we get there. F chord, whole thing with your thumb. Repeat the first string, whole F chord. Now up to the first string, 3rd fret. Then play a C chord. First string, 1st fret, and then an F chord. 3rd measure now, F chord again. 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord. 1st string, 3rd fret, F chord. 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now we're on the last measure of the first line, F chord. Repeat the first string, F chord again, 1st string, 3rd fret. Now, the way that this is arranged, we're now on the second line, C chord. First string, first fret, F chord. F chord, second string, third fret, F chord, first string, third fret, F chord, second string, third fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now, you're going to play an F chord and put your pinky on the first string, third fret. Now, what I like to do is make sure I'm going in the right spot, so I usually put my ring finger on the first string, fifth fret. And then I'm going to go 5, 3, 1, open. So I'm doing the fifth fret with my ring finger. I'm doing the third fret with my second finger. I'm doing my first fret with my first finger, and then I'm lifting up. So it goes like this. That's what it's going to do. 5, 3, 1, open, and then a G minor chord. Then an easier one. 3, 1, open, then second string, third fret. So again, that's 3, 1, open, second string, third fret, F chord. Then first string, first fret, first string, open, second string, third fret, second string, first fret. And then put that ring finger back down on the second string, third fret, and play strings 4, 3, 2. Third string, strings 4 and 3. F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Second string, third fret, first string, open. Now a B flat chord. First finger goes right across strings 1 and 2, right above the middle first fret. You're holding your ukulele securely with your strumming arm, and you're pulling against the fretboard like this, as if you're going to launch something off. You're pulling against it like that, and then you add your thumb for some support. Then you add 2 fingers to it. That's your B flat chord. And then F chord, and then the ring finger goes down the second string, third fret. Then we're going to do that again. F chord with the pinky. Ring finger goes to the fifth fret. 5, 3, 1, open. G minor chord. You're in the right spot for the ring finger. 3, 1, open, second string, third fret. F chord. First open, 3, 1. First open, 3, 1. All right. Then ring finger goes down again, second string, third fret. Play strings 4, 3, 2. Third string, strings 4 and 3. F chord. Second string, third fret. First string, open, that B flat chord again. F chord. Ring finger goes down on the second string, third fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Angels We Have Heard on High all the way through. Now let me demonstrate it on high GGC ukulele. Now, a reminder, if you're going to play this on baritone, the actual notes aren't going to match what you're actually playing, but that's okay. Here we go. Thank you for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Angels We Have Heard on High from Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 Chord Melody Hymns. And I assume that since you're watching this video, you must celebrate Christmas and therefore are playing Christmas music. So I wish you a very Merry Christmas. And I hope you're having a great day. And I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.